am Cynthia Nyamai. Now, the National Assembly Finance Committee has recommended a 50% cut in petroleum development levy charged on super petrol and diesel. The committee is also proposing a reduction in petroleum companies' profits by 3 shillings from the current 12 shillings a litre. The proposals are contained in a report that will be tabled before the House for debate later this month.
In a bid to stabilize fuel prices in the country, the National Assembly is proposing key amendments in the Finance and Petroleum Act that will guide the formula of calculating fuel prices in the country. Petroleum marketers will have to contend with reduced margins as Parliament proposes amendment to the Energy Regulations 2010 that will see marketers' margins reduced from 12 shillings per litre to 9 shillings. If the recommendations are adopted, petroleum development levy charged on super petrol and diesel will drop from 5 shillings and 40 cents to 2 shillings and 90 cents. Legislators are also seeking to repeal Section 13 of the Finance Act 2018 and reduce the value-added tax on petroleum products from 8% to 4%. VAT tax on LPG will also be reduced from 16% to 8%. In measures aimed at controlling the use of the Stabilization Fund, Parliament is also proposing the formation of a board that will manage the fuel fund, which is currently managed by the National Treasury. The fund will solely be used to stabilize fuel prices, development of common facilities to aid in distribution, and testing oil products. Treasury PS late last month told Parliament that the fuel subsidy fund had been depleted to only 3.6 billion while the country needed 5 billion shillings to stabilize fuel prices. According to Parliament, the fund had collected more than 20 billion shillings, with part of the funds being used to develop infrastructure in the energy sector.